Hello, children. Happy morning. Hope you all are eagerly waiting for this session. Come, let's begin our journey. I request you all not to skip this video. Now, we are going to start with the very first chapter, tracing our story in volume 1. In this chapter, we'll be learning about three different things. The very first is the human evolution, which is all about the origin of humans, and the second is various stages of early human evolution, and the third is sources and evidences that supports the human evolution. So now in this video I am going to explain you about the sources and evidences supporting the human evolution. If we want to know about the ancient people, we will do Google to know more about them. But do you think is that the only way to know about the early humans? The answer is absolutely no. Let me explain you with an example. If I hear the name of Shah Jahan, who was the fifth Mughal ruler, the very first thing that comes to my mind would be Taj Mahal located at Agra, where I can find some additional information from the inscriptions in the monument. So coming back, we can know about the prehistoric period via two types of sources. One is primary source and the other one is secondary source. Primary source, which is a direct source about an event or object or a person. For example, monuments and inscriptions. What is monument? Monument is a building that is built to remind a people or a famous person. What is inscriptions? Inscriptions are the words that are written or cut on something. Then moving back to the secondary sources. Secondary source, which is not a direct source, which was derived from the primary source. What is meant by the word derived? It is taken from the primary source. The examples like reference books, magazines and newspapers comes under secondary sources. I hope you all got a clear idea about primary and secondary sources of history. You can open your textbooks now and try solving the exercises 1.9 and 1.10 in book page 16 and 17. Finish your homework, and if you have any doubts, we'll take up in the tomorrow's session. Thank you all.